What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Carl from Sovcits and Chronicles. Today, we're going to be in the courtroom of Judge Lanice Bryant out of the state of Michigan. All right. Unfortunately, this case is going to involve some form of child abuse, and there's not going to be details of the child abuse during the proceeding. So anybody that might be sensitive to that type of um, you know, things that's going to be talked about as far as evidence and stuff like that is not going to happen during this proceeding. But anyway, with all that being said, let's get to this proceeding.
No, I'm sorry, Trip. I'll do Trip first, because did you tell me Trip was ready earlier?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm ready on Trip. And what are we doing on Watson Wilson? Am I coming down for a trial?
We have a resolution, Your Honor, PTR. We're in receipt of what we want.
Okay, this is case number 244438701. The People versus Christopher. Might be Lorenzo is cut off on the docket. Trip, defendant is charged with child abuse, 4th degree. Today is the date set for final pretrial conference appearances, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Hill on behalf of the people.
Here, Mr. Tripp will continue. Dennis Stevenson on behalf of Christopher Tripp. Mr. Tripp, please say your first, middle, and last names.
Christopher Lorenzo Tripp.
All right, Ms. Stevenson, how are you proceeding? Because you was getting ready to tell us.
Right. Mr. Tripp is going to continue his plea of not guilty, but I would ask for sidebar with the court and the people.
Right now?
If I'm
This might help.
So that means you all want me to come downstairs because Mr. Hill is not on this thing?
But he and Ms. Coleman did come in here or something.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. We're gonna go into the room right now.
All right, come into the room.
Thank you, guys. Thank you for your patience.
Then I guess we need to go to breakout. Wouldn't it be funny if we just started talking right here? Join me in breakout room number 1. Man, I'm only gonna let you talk to him for about another minute.
Okay, Your Honor, thank you very much for that, Grace. Trying to just figure out how Mr. Tripp can help the people to have a conversation with the complaining witness's mother.
Oh, well, I'm gonna tell you how we're gonna have a conversation with him. If she don't answer the phone the next time, if she doesn't respond to that text the next time, I'm gonna send the police out there. I'm gonna send the police to the child's school. And then we're going to take care, custody, and control over the child. And then they'll have to get the child from protective services. So let me be clear. Let me be clear out of my mouth. Let me be clear. If Mr. Tripp resides with the mother, then he better go home and tell her that she better answer Mr. Hill's phone call. She better respond to his text, and she better produce my witness, because failure to do so is going to cause me to show cause her, and I'm going to have her arrested. Listen to me clearly and carefully. I'm going to have her arrested, and I'm talking about the mother of the child. Whoever has care, custody, and control over the child, they had better produce the child to Mr. Hill. They had better produce the child to Mr. Hill. Stop talking. Stop talking. Whoever has care, custody, and control of the minor witness had better produce the witness to Mr. Hill. Failure to do so is going to result in me contacting protective services, in me issuing an arrest warrant for interference with this criminal prosecution. It is going to result in charges for witness tampering. Listen to me carefully and clear. I'm not playing. Now, the case can be resolved, and I will entertain pretrial resolutions, which will include in-person classes. But what I will not do is allow some person to bully this court system. It's never going to happen. The bullying of this court system, it's never going to happen. So whoever has the child, I know the baby got a cell phone. It's 2025. But what I also know is that she's in school. She's in school. Either she being homeschooled and that address has to be registered with the state, or she's in a physical school. And she's going to talk to Mr. Hill. The witness is going to talk to Mr. Hill. And if the mother has custody, they're going to produce the child. If Mr. Tripp has custody, he's going to produce the child. Whoever fails or refuses to produce the child, I'm going to have those charges issued against them. And we're going to have a warrant for their arrest. All right. Now, any further facilitation, that's y'all business. If Mr. Hill comes back here and tell me that they still not answering his calls, he can't find his witness, this minor witness, it's going to be somebody is going to have to deal with that. And they're going to have to deal with me. Anything else before I get a date?
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing by the people further.
So for the date, Your Honor, in that, we would have to be able to arrange the in-person classes.
Sound like the whole family needs some classes, but I can't make the other people go to class. Does Mr. Tripp work?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Oh, well, then he could go to the classes. But I don't know where the in-person classes are. You know, I'd be thinking Mr. Rice can do anything. I feel like he has all the classes, but those may not be free, so I do understand that. I'm not opposed to it. Maybe you need to get a referral from probation.
Okay.
But, yeah. And I am live streaming right now. So if you want to go back and play this for her, you can go back and play this for her. If you don't have if somebody don't have they don't want to say it with as much fervor as I'm saying it, the video is going to be there. You just show her this is what the judge said. And I mean it from the complete bottom of my heart. I mean it. I mean it. I mean it because I feel like she's trying to bully the system and trying to whatever. And I'm not going to have it. I'm not going to have it. Okay. So let's do this. And I want at least 6 classes in order for me to accept the pretrial resolution. What I'm saying is, Tripp, you can't listen to her, talk to her, and listen to me at the same time.
I just explained to her, I have seizures and right now I feel like I'm having a panic right now. I have medical issues for it.
Now, you're not going to make me put you in the Wayne County Jail and mark your file medical.
No.
Okay, well, take a deep breath. We're going to take a deep breath. If you need some water, they can give you some water. But let me say this to you. You can take a deep breath. And if you need some water, they can give you some water because court is stressful. And if the stress is going to trigger whatever you're having, then we're going to need to get you some medical attention. All right. I'm going to set it for at least 6 weeks, 8 weeks out because I want 6 classes in order for me to entertain the pretrial resolution.
Okay.
So I could put it October 29th, but I won't. I will put it. Oh, I can't put it. Oh, I could put it. I think I could put it. Let me see what time I'm on. Night leave. I could put it November let me see. That might not work. That's 12/25. That means I could put it November the 3rd.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll put it November the 3rd. For final pretrial conference.
Thank you.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my trial docket as well, November 3rd. And so then I'm gonna put it on the trial docket for December 2nd. So let's put November 3rd at 9:10. And then I'm gonna put it for a jury trial. December 2nd. And know that it is first in priority. That's why I put it on the 2nd to make sure. And that's at 9:30. So if the matter doesn't resolve, oh, I keep looking, this is Trip. And this is MFD. And that, all right. And then I want to have to lock nobody up while they wait in order to get the witness for the trial.
Do that. You ain't gotta do that.
Anything further on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
On behalf of the defense?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we're all set then. Everyone have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all. So that's the end of that hearing. Like I said, they didn't give a lot of details about the child abuse. But what I will say is, you know, Judge Bryant, she is not playing no games with this dude. She's not playing no games with the mother neither. And if he's the one that's doing the child abuse and the mother's not producing the child so she can tell what's going on, which is obviously the witness, then that's an issue. And she did the right thing by threatening to put the mother in jail and Mr. Tripp in jail. So he got to get these classes done. And, you know, my man tried to, you know, and you try to, you know, say that he has seizures and he's having a panic attack and all that stuff like that. But he seemed fine to me, but she wasn't going for that nonsense. You know, she said, drink some water, you know, calm down, take a deep breath. And, you know, it is what it is. And she definitely kind of, you know, at the end threatened him with jail as well. And he was like, nah, we ain't got to do that. So, not sure where his head is at, if he's going to comply to everything, but, you know, we'll see. So he comes back to court on November 3rd. And, you know, I would definitely do the follow up to that. And, you know, if he ends up having a pretrial, I'll do the follow up to that as well. All right. So with all that being said, I just want to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload more videos like this one. This is Carl from Sovcits and Chronicles. Once again, I'll catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.